Why is the Flex strainer a better product than the other strainers and drain stoppers? Well, this is the first product that we received with the sink. Nice and decorative, looked good for a couple of months, began to tarnish, and all it did was strain. Then we picked up the typical DIY chrome one. The problem is you always had to line up that post perfectly or it didn't stop any water. The Flex strainer is actually a much better product because the material is a flexible plastic. It covers up the entire drain. It has 3 embossings on the stopper that fit right inside the drain. It looks good and it fits well. As you can see, the Flex strainer holds water well and fills up quickly.